how to rotate a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, we want to go back to your gallery homepage and select a picture that you would like to rotate. So here, let's say I want to rotate this picture. So select that picture, then tap on the edit button. Next, we're going to tap on the transform button down here at the bottom. Once you tap on the transform button at the top here, there is a rotate button in the middle. So tap on that button right here to rotate the image. So every time you tap on the button, the image will rotate 90 degrees. Look like it is rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, so we do that. Now, if you need to perform a minor rotation, so here we can choose straighten, and then you can simply move the slider bar to the left or to the right to perform just a minor correction. And here I can zoom in or zoom out. Now after that, after the rotation, don't forget to tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. That is how you can rotate a picture in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.